Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this meditation, we'll be exploring the idea of courage, where it comes from, and how to harness it. However, before we get there, let's take some time to first ground ourselves into this space, becoming more mindful of this present moment. Begin by bringing yourself into a comfortable seated position where the back is straight and the shoulders are relaxed. Allow your hands to fall wherever they are comfortable and your chest to open naturally. Gently close your eyes and then begin to tune into the physical body, inviting a softness into any tightness or tension you might discover. Pay special attention to the forehead, the shoulders, and the belly, inviting a release into these areas. Now, I invite you to draw your attention to the breath, likening it to an anchor that roots you firmly into this space and time. Allow this breath to extend all the way into the belly, causing an expansion here on the inhalation. And when you exhale, release all of this air back out to the outside world, feeling your stomach softening completely. Continue taking these deep breaths for a few more breath cycles on your own, watching the gentle flow of air into and out of your body. See if you can sit a little bit taller now, without force or strain. Simply check in with your back, your belly, your chest, and your shoulders, exploring if you can invite a natural strength and confidence into these places. Feeling rooted and stable in the space that you occupy, return your attention to the breath. Rest in this awareness for a few moments of silence, using breath awareness to continually re-anchor you. Maya Angelou once said, "Courage is the most important of all the virtues, because without courage, you can't practice any other virtue consistently." And it is true. In order to love, we must find our inner source of courage. In order to be creative, we must be willing to overcome fear and risk of failure. In order to overcome the challenges that we are faced with, we must discover our will to carry on, time and time again. Many of us struggle to embody our innate capacity for courage due to negative thinking, or due to unrealistic expectations we may hold for ourselves. In a competitive world that prioritizes unrealistic standards of perfection, self-doubt is a common experience we can all relate to in one way or another. However, courage is not equivalent to an absence of fear or failure. Rather, it is an ability to rise above whatever fears may hold us back, and above whatever struggles we may encounter on the way. So, in order to live truly courageously, we can start to understand that our perceived failures are opportunities for growth. The courage is not an absence of fear, and that we have an inner fire of strength and courage that is already present within us. This fire of courage simply needs to be fueled. The fire of courage at your core is with you in all moments, even when it doesn't seem to be present. In fact, it's here right now. You have shown up for this self-nourishing meditation today, and that takes courage. Take a deep breath into your belly, feeling your chest and stomach expand. And then as you let go, feel all thoughts that act in opposition to courage leaving your body. Now, in the empty space you've created, I invite you to silently repeat the following words. I am strong, courageous, and confident. I am capable of overcoming any challenge before me. I balance strength and softness with grace. Remember that these words and this inner fire can be cultivated whenever they are needed. Now take just a few more breaths here, noticing the natural ebb and flow of each inhale and each exhale. Take in the sounds and other non-visual signs of your surroundings. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you again.